Getting a little scary right now.
All right, now I got video going, so this is
Video's going,
watch your language, everybody. Yeah.
Oh. Chuck. Wow. Come on, Travis, get on him.
Chuck, I've never seen you miss 2 in a row.
You know him? Yeah. You know Travis?
I've played him with his friend. Played him in mixed doubles.
Oh, is that right?
Oh, is she a
Seems
Travis?
like a nice
She knows
guy.
Travis. How old is Travis? Is he young?
Oh,
Yeah, he's in his
20s.
20s, yeah.
Just finished college.
Ooh, that's tough.
I'd give Travis a hard
Yeah,
look
but
right now.
that's a wall.
Give him what?
Tell him to switch. I don't think you want to do that.
Like, am I drinking? I didn't see that.
That's serve pin
That's what
started
he would
hitting
say.
me.
This is forehead, guys.
Nice shot, Travis.
Nice shot. He's got to have a cheerleader, too.
Yeah,
absolutely.
I agree. I think
He asked me that drunk lady would stop talking to him. Is that okay?
that's the best comment of the night. I hope we got that on
it's
there.
on there, yeah.
Oh, gosh. That was a good one right there. Oh, man. Yeah, that was a
That
good
was
one.
good.
Uh-huh.